Easy-to-fold rear seats allow you to increase Palisade's cargo area with less effort. To fold the second row seats flat, first set the front seat back to the upright position. You may also need to slide it forward a bit. Next, place the second row seat headrests all the way in their lowest position. Then, route the second row seatbelt webbing through the rear seatbelt holder and secure the clip. Now tighten the belt webbing by pulling it up. Pull up the seatback recline lever. Then fold the seat toward the front of the vehicle. To return it to its seating position, pull up on the recline lever. Then lift the seat back to the upright position. Push the seat back firmly until it clicks into place. Make sure the seat back is locked in place. Your Palisade may also be equipped with the ability to fold the second row seats from the cargo area. To do this, push the second row buttons located on the left side of the cargo area. Each button will fold either the left or the right seat flat. In Palisades equipped with the power-folding third row seats, you can fold them in one of two ways. First, you can press the third row switches located on the left side of the cargo area. Toggle down to fold the seat flat. Toggle up to return the seat back to its up position. You can also fold them through the touchscreen. First, make sure Start is on and the vehicle is in park. Press Setup, then Vehicle, then Seat and Steering. Select Fold third row seat backs, then select Folding or Unfolding. You should know that folding and unfolding the third row seats over 10 times in succession with the engine off can cause the battery to discharge prematurely. In addition, folding and unfolding the third row seats over 5 times with no rest may cause the folding motor to go into overheat prevention mode for 1 minute. During this time, the folding and unfolding switches will not operate.